Steele, the Blacc Steele, the one and only, okay? And I'm here to get my massage, but first I wanted to do a little interview with him to get you guys to know more about his business and his locks. Of course, I know you guys are all interested in his locks. So, how long have you been locking your hair?
Well, what's up? What's good, everybody? It's about 6.5 years. 5, 10, 14 was the day it started. The day my life changed.
You feel like it changed your life?
I do. A different swag. I started a different perception on life. And then also throughout the years, I always correlate my locks to like having kids. You know, the longer you have them, the more attached you get to them. You know, so now it's not just hair. It started off as just hair, maybe a fashion statement, but now I'm like in this. You know.
So you don't see yourself cutting them at all?
Nope. No, unless I get forced to, which I don't know what would force me to, but yeah, I wouldn't cut them for $50,000. Like honestly, I wouldn't.
Yeah, that's cheap. That's a little cheap.
I'm just saying I wouldn't cut them for 100. I mean, like I've had 2 brain aneurysms 3 years ago with these locks, and I got to keep them. So yeah, they've been through a lot with me. So yeah, they mean it's more than hair. It means a lot, you know. So
I can understand that.
Yeah.
Do you know how many you have?
78.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your hair is very thick.
Yeah.
He was just pulling himself bald-headed. I don't know why. His hair is definitely fuller than mine.
I'm bald compared to her. Do you see?
It's just longer, but your hair is fuller than mine.
I'm bald, y'all. I gotta keep myself on, but I am. I'm bald. You know, she's 10 years in the game, I'm 6 years. But I respect that. She paid the cost to be the boss. She paid the cost to be the boss, you know.
I'll take that. You can call me the boss if you want to. That's fine.
How many you have?
I have 94. And mine are a little thinner than yours. Yeah. So yeah.
I think I wanted to combine them. I think I asked you one time too. Yeah, I wanted to combine them. That just, cause I seen this one girl. She probably had like, I got 78. She probably had like 40 something. And they was just so thick and beautiful. But she started off with the 2 strand twist.
Yeah.
Which I didn't know that would ever actually lock. So she started off with 2 strand and they were thick. Like I was like, oh, those are dope. Like for real.
I do love thick locks. If I were to start over, I would get them thicker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't ever get your style anyway, so I mean, yeah.
Rarely. I mean, I'll do curls. I do curls usually. If I get too thick, then I can't curl them though.
Right.
So before you were, what's your title? Are you a massage therapist? A masseuse?
Yeah, masseuse.
Okay. So before you became a masseuse, were you ever like in corporate America? Did you ever have any jobs that maybe you had white bosses that like felt a way about your locks or anything like that?
Well, I pretty much, I mean, even really before the masseuse thing, like I'm, you know, a fitness trainer, you know, and you know, model, so I've been kind of like independent for a minute. But even when I've had like 9 to 5, no, I mainly worked in warehouses, you know. Okay. So like, what is it, blue collar jobs, or is it white collar?
Blue, yeah, blue.
Blue collar. So I've always worked in hands-on. I like doing, you know, things with my hands. So,
okay, so it's never an issue as far as jobs. Oh, that's good.
Nope. I don't like that though. I would have had an issue with it, you know, again. Now it was a potential job, okay? I wanted to be in the military and I did want to be a CO, and the only thing that was stopping me, and an officer, the only thing that was stopping me was, you know, actually at that time, I'm sorry, it was right before I started growing them. That was right before I started growing them. I'm sorry, I was right before I started growing them, and then I started to grow them. And then I was like, well, look, it don't matter now. I'm in it, you know.
Yeah.
So.
Well, hopefully those laws will change. I mean, I know you're not trying to join the military no more, but for those of you out there,
if they do, I'm in there.
Yeah.
If they do, they just allow women to do it.
Yes.
And I understand with 2 different, but at the same time, still, like, I don't understand why women can and men can't. Like,
I don't get it either.
Because they say it's the hazard, right? Because people can pull, but people can pull on a man just as, I mean, a woman just as much as a man, so.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm glad they did, but yeah, when they start letting men join the force, then yeah, definitely. That's the only thing that's stopping me, but yeah.
We'll see in time.
Hopefully.
Okay, so now about your business. So what is it that you do exactly? We're sorry for the sirens. We are in the middle of New York City. Woo!
You hear them all the time.
Yes.
Probably more than LA.
I bet. Yeah.
So when it comes to the massage business, I am a masseuse. I I put my own little niche on it, my own little spin. If y'all have ever seen any of my videos, then y'all know that it's not a normal massage. It's actually one of the most commonly quoted phrases or comments. Like, this isn't normal. That's not what I usually see, and it's not supposed to be what you usually see, because this is still chocolate paradise. You know what I'm saying? So I add my own spin to it. You know, my motto is, you can have it your way. You know, you're the customer. The customer's always right. So I aim to please, ladies. So that's what I do. I add my own spin to it. I allow you to be in your tranquil spot. You know, tranquility is, and peace of mind is priceless, honestly. Most of my clients are actually married or in relationships. And a lot of them, unfortunately, have not been in that peace of mind or that tranquil state that they need to be in as a human being. I don't care who you're with. So I just allow them to be them, be comfortable, be relaxed, while pleasing them without any penetration. That's all I do. Literally, it's with my hands. It's energy in the hands. My hands act as antennas. So your body sends signals through my hands to me, and I literally just use my hands to please you, relax you. That's pretty much it. I mean, it sounds like, but that's literally it. That's literally it. People be thinking I'm lying. I promise you, ladies.
I'll let you know if he's lying after my massage, okay?
It's the hands, for real. It's the hands. Like, and energy is big. You know, like, that's really all it is. Like, I can sit there. That's again here. I can literally, I can take her hand two different ways. Like, okay, so look, I could take her hand like this, like that, or I can literally, the same hands, take her hand like this, and that's just two different ways. Did you feel the energy in it?
Yes.
Like, it's two different ways. So I mean, that's all it is. For real.
Okay. It's getting really hot. We're standing in the sun. I just have one more question. So can you tell the people a little bit?
You getting hot? You getting hot, Keisha? You getting hot out here? See, look, I just grabbed her hands and she's already hot.
Here we go. I'm definitely overdressed. But do you want to tell the people about different options that they can have if they reach out to you to book you, or do you just want to tell them where to follow you? You can do both or either one.
So ladies, y'all got a couple of options when y'all book. Y'all can book me and I can just wear shorts, which is perfectly fine, or I can, you know, clothing optional, that can be an option. It depends on whatever you like and whatever you feel, you know. And if you're wondering, you know, why is that an option, again, there's, like I said, no sexual activity going on, but the body next to the body contact is essential. You know what I'm saying? That's why they tell babies to, mothers to have their babies. I think they have the skin to skin contact. They have a much more likely chance of surviving as an infant than without that skin to skin contact. So that's what it is, a skin to skin contact. And that's what it is. So yeah, you can get that different option, ladies. You can actually have a friend at the same time. It's called a threesome, but it's not, again, a sexual threesome. I'm just doing y'all both at the same time. My hands are big.
You're just what?
Doing y'all at the same time.
I beg your pardon?
Simultaneous, okay? Simultaneous, you heard right. These hands are big. So you know what I'm saying? I have one right here, and myself. That's a threesome, boom. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and then I even can run your bath water if you want me to run your bath water. Ladies, I tell you, I'm Keisha, look, I'm trying to, it's a pamper. It's a pamper, ladies. When the last time y'all been pampered? I'm telling y'all, it's just like you go to a spa. You know what I'm saying? You treat yourself. This is still paradise. So you come here. I got strawberries and whipped cream. I got wine. She seen what she bought. I got wine. I got strawberries and whipped cream. I got bath. I got the unscented soap, ladies, and I got the sponges that y'all like. You feel me? You ain't got to worry about it. I can run your bath water. It can be a little jacuzzi tub. Whatever you like, you can have it your way. This is really your day. You heard me? And like I said, you're the customer. My goal is to please. So ladies, enough of the talking. If y'all want to reach me, I'm on IG. I am Blacc Steele, exactly as I just said. So I-am B-L-A-C-C-S-T-E-E-L-E. That's one word. On Twitter, which I'm about to start utilizing more because I keep getting reported on Instagram, is Blacc_Steele. So just remember, anytime you see my name, it's Black with 2 C's, no K. BLACC_STEELE, ladies. That's how y'all can find me. Twitter. I don't really use Facebook, but you got Twitter and Instagram. And beware of fake accounts. If you add me on Instagram, I only have one account. I'm trying to get my page back right now. My Blacc Steele Blacc_Steele page. I had 85,000, but hopefully I can. But right now, I just have my I am Blacc Steele. So just be careful, because I keep getting reported. I have fake pages come up and act like they're me and try to be me. So there's only one.
And I'll make sure to have all of his links down below, so that's how you know you're getting the official page, right?
Like a referee with a whistle.
All right, so let's get into this massage. I got a couple kinks I need, you know, rubbed on out my back, so let's get into it right now.
You see, I'm afraid that your kisses in the night might have made a mighty, mighty glow in my soul. If I blind the sunshine, it ain't no fault of my own. You see, I was raised in the village, so my third eye prolific in your grades as far as I know. That cute time, bikini lime, and that's why, Father, I'll go to be with you. Where the fire fills the room. Love's the only feeling I know I knew. When the fire filled the room. I'll run after a train for your loving. Reach like the morning sun. Sail on a circle line. I'll board a little plane for your loving. Oh yeah, I'll find a way. Leave the town or run around. I'll say what I gotta say to be with you. The train kinda light, yeah, I see your eyes. You're messing with the time, especially mine. You're going with the flow, trying to get it right. You've been advised, you're fucking with the real kind. Cause there's a fine line from out of sight, and I don't mind, you can't deny. So when I'm feeling low, yeah, you're quick to find a little line. You pull me to the side, tell her I'll run after a train for your loving. Reach like the morning sun. Sail on a circle line. I'll board a little plane for your loving. Oh yeah, I'll find a way. Leave the town or run around. I'll say what I gotta say to be with you. Where the fire fills the room. And love's the only feeling I know I knew. When the fire fills the room. Shout out Naomi, big up the free upgrade, girl, you the homie. As for your colleagues, them, well, they phony. I'm surfing God's masterpiece at 12,000 feet, and they eyeing me hella salty. Queen of the air up there, you one and only. And on the ground, girl, I hope you ain't lonely. Not me, oh my. Can't wait until we land, I gotta get outside. I got a 4-leaf clover waiting on me, things to show me. Run routes to cop nice things I don't need. And when we get time, we spend it, it goes mile a minute. He can't wait to get it at home me. He like for brush up and keep it cozy. And when I'm down, he comes low to the ground and builds me up. Said it's only when I want it, baby, I want you. Where the fire fills the room. And love's the only feeling I know I knew. When the fire filled the room. You see, I'm afraid that your kisses in the night might have made a mighty, mighty glow in my soul. If I blind the sunshine, it ain't no fault of my own. You see, I was raised in the village, so my third eye prolific in your grades as far as I know. That cute time, bikini lime, and that's why, Father, I'll go to be with you. Where the fire fills the room. And love's the only feeling I know I knew. When the fire filled the room. reach like the morning sun, sail on a circle line. I'm on a little plane for your loving. Oh yeah, I'll find a way, leave the town or run around. I'll say what I gotta say to be with you. The train kinda light, yeah, I see your wines. You're messing with the time, especially mine. You're going with the flow, trying to get it right. You've been advised, you're fucking with the real kind. Cause there's a fine line from out of sight, and I don't mind, you can't deny. So when I'm feeling low, yeah, you're quick to find a little line. You pull me to the side, tell me I'll run after a train for your loving. Reach like the morning sun, sail on a circle line. I'm on a little plane for your loving. Oh yeah, I'll find a way, leave the town or run around. I'll say what I gotta say to be with you. Where the fire fills the room, and love's the only feeling I know I do. When the fire fills the room. Shout out Naomi, big up the free upgrade, girl, you the homie. As for your colleagues, them, well, they phony. I'm surfing God's masterpiece at 12,000 feet, and they eyeing me hella salty. Queen of the air up there, you one and only. And on the ground, girl, I hope you ain't lonely. Not me, oh my, can't wait until we land. I gotta get outside, I got a 4-leaf clover waiting on me. Things to show me, run routes to cop nice things I don't need. And when we get time, we spend it, it goes mile a minute. He can't wait to get it and hold me. He like for brush up and keep it cozy. And when I'm down, he comes low to the ground and builds me up. Said it's only when I want him, baby, I want you. Where the fire fills the room, and love's the only feeling I know I do. When the fire fills the room. You see, I'm afraid that your kisses in the night might have made a mighty, mighty glow in my soul. If I blind the sunshine, it ain't no fault of my own. You see, I was raised in.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.KeishaCharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.